So, ¿de qué va todo esto? ¿De qué va todo esto? What is this about? Bueno, son tiempos difíciles para todos, yo lo sé, pero especialmente y por lo que a mí me toca, el mundo craft lo está pasando mal. These are hard times for everyone, I know that, but what really touched me is this crafty world, and things are not easy now. So, I thought of something, así que se me ha ocurrido algo. Por supuesto, todos vamos a comprar algún regalito de Navidad, ¿verdad? I'm very sure we all are going to buy little Christmas gift. Why not? Yeah. Así que, ¿por qué no comprar algo crafty? ¿Por qué no apoyar a estas crafters, artistas, pequeñas empresas, marcas que siempre nos dan tanto? Y de ahí viene todo. So if we are going to buy something, why not buy something made by an artist friend, a crafter, a small business company, a small brand? Why not? Let's support each other because they give us so much, and I think this will be amazing. Now I have my super talented friend Maria Lillepruun. She's amazing. I'm sure you know her because she is really talented and she is in some of the best teams mixed media teams. Yeah. So please welcome my friend Maria. Hola Maria. Hello.
Hola. Hello everybody. Hello.
Hello. How are you?
Oh my God. I'm freaking out actually. I'm the first time live with my face on because I have so many videos done before with only my hands, and right now you can see me and it's scary. But it's fun.
You will be fine. You will be fine. So my friend Maria, I said she's super talented. She is with me in Lindis, and I don't know if we are together in some other team. I don't know. Anyway, she has been doing mixed media for long, and she does some amazing notebooks that you can buy. So I guess Maria has some pretty things to show us.
Yes, guys, thank you, Nuneka. Thank you. Notebooks have been a huge love of mine for 5-6 years for now, and I make them really a lot, and I give them as gifts, and I teach live classes in Estonia with notebooks, and it's kind of my thing. So today I will show you some of the books which I have for sale. Okay, now I have to remember how it was, how do I change my camera? It was
camera. Yeah, you just click on camera and swap to the other one. And I will put you in full screen.
Okay, let's see. Oh wow! Yes. Wow. So I will show you several of the books which I have made, and they are all for sale at the web shop, which is called magicattic.eu. It's also written down in the comments below.
Yeah, it's also in the description box.
Yes, good. Thank you. It's actually a web shop in Estonia, which is selling different mixed media and scrapbooking materials, and they ship worldwide. But it's easy, especially easy with the European Union, of course, because the shipping is cheaper with us. So my notebooks are also for sale on this web shop, and there you can find some pictures and descriptions of the books, but I will just show you some of my favorites. I really like this format of 12 per 20 centimeters, and the books with rings, because you can put whatever you want inside, and whenever the book is full and written, and then you can just replace the sheets. So this is one of my favorites. It's a marine notebook, vintage style. I always make them with several dividers inside between the pages. This one was made a pretty long time ago, but I just kept it for myself, and right now I'm already ready to say goodbye to it, so it's on sale now. Also another one with the similar size, but something different. This is the magical one, Gypsy notebook, also with a very elaborate mixed media cover.
Yeah, and it's really vintage. It's super cool.
Yes, this is really one of my favorites. Also with many interior additions in the middle. And actually, most of my books, not most, but maybe half of them were made with classes. So as addition, you can see some the tutorials on how they were made on my YouTube channel. YouTube channel is easily to be found. It's actually my name, Maria Lillepruun. Put it on YouTube and you will get to my channel where you have a lot of mixed media video tutorials.
Okay.
And so I invite everybody to join in because I'm really a huge fan of mixed media tutorials. I just film them all the time for everybody to watch.
Maria, let me just translate that a bit for the Spaniards, okay?
Sure, I will just scroll that through.
Ok, María hace estas libretas tan súper chulas, como veis tienen mucho espacio por dentro para escribir, para poner recortes, para poner fotografías, lo que queráis, tiene un poquito de trabajo de mix media por dentro y sobre todo las portadas tienen mucho de mix media, que es lo que a ella más le gusta. María enseña clases en Estonia y muchas de estas libretas que estáis viendo son o bien de sus clases presenciales o bien de sus tutoriales. Podéis ver los tutoriales de estas libretas y también las podéis comprar en esta página que veis en pantalla, www.magicattic.eu, y ahí podéis encontrar no solamente las libretas de María, sino algunos proyectos más de algunas de sus amigas. People is asking, what is your YouTube channel? It's Maria Lillepruun, right?
Yes, that's just my name. Just type it in the search and it will appear there. And yes, I just lost my thought. But this year is really tough on me actually because I was supposed to go with my live classes on notebooks abroad, and everything has been cancelled as for everybody of us, of course. So I'm just keeping myself out at home creating books, and this is something which keeps me going. This is a Magnolia notebook, something more cheerful, a summery look. I go for vintage and really heavy mixed media, but sometimes I like to make some kind of lighter and really tender things like this. And also I want to show you, Nuneka, one of my favorite books, which is also on sale, and this one was made after my trip to Andalusia.
Oh, so, really?
Yes, a couple years ago I've been traveling by car around the whole Andalusia, so this one is my inspiration of southern Spain, and it's also the same book with the mixed media cover and white sheets inside, but I have some watercolor paintings here which I made during my visits to different cities in Spain, like Granada, for example, and
that is La Alhambra.
Yes, I've been there painting, and Malaga and Sevilla. So I was just making some sketches, and I included some of them in this notebook, which is really expressing my love for Spain. And maybe
that is Córdoba, and that is come on, is that name of the village, which is pretty.
This is Ronda.
Ronda, Ronda, exactly.
That was magical. It's truly fairy tale. Yes. Yeah. And then Tarifa, where I was swimming in the storm. So
because there's very heavy weather there. You know, Tarifa is one of those amazing places for surfers for to
For
do
surfers, yeah.
Yeah.
I can see why. Yes, it was stormy. I also another format of books which I like a lot, and I made many of them on my classes before. But I also have a couple on sale in my shop. These are this kind of smaller A6 format notebooks, which are really all made with mixed media. Covers, and they are quite durable. Really, nothing happens to them at all because I use a lot of strong acrylic materials, and they are with white sheets inside. And every of my books have this beautiful sheet, whatever they called. I don't know. Sorry.
I like that you really pay attention to little details.
Bookmarks. Well, yes, I think I'm all about details. Sometimes it's hard for me to see the big picture because I'm so much into details.
Yeah, I can totally relate because I'm the same. We are slow crafters because we really pay attention to details.
That's right. I craft. I can make one book for a week, for example, because I just alter everything once again whenever I don't like anything, and then I cannot stop. So another one, a cute blue book, vintage one, also for sale, and it's with many pattern paper editions.
Okay. And Maria, do you sell your notebooks only in Estonia or anywhere in Europe?
Well, of course, I sell worldwide to everybody who is interested, because this web shop which I shared, it has the pictures and some descriptions, but you can contact me whenever you want, any way you'd like, in Facebook and Instagram, or just via email, and I just ship them to whoever is interested. The shipping within Europe is approximately 12 euros.
Okay.
And well, this is the Estonian official shipping, no courier, but something like
shipping is okay.
Mail. Yes, but it's working well. It's always
in Spanish. Todas estas libretas que está enseñando María las podéis encontrar a la venta en esta página web que veis aquí también, www.magicattic.eu, y envía a toda Europa, ¿ok? El coste del envío es más o menos unos 12 euros, que es el coste del envío por correos de Estonia. Puedo deciros que son súper bonitas y ella presta mucha atención a los detalles. Wow, that is a big one.
This is the thickest book I've made. It's hand sewn, of course. Most of the books are hand sewn, not all, but most of them. And many of them have these natural stones added to the bookmarks. I also make some smaller books, which is like really a hobby. But right now I happen to have 4 of them at home, and they're also for sale. That's this small kind of creatures.
That's so cute.
Yes, they are cute. This is actually one of the biggest, because I can show you also this one. This is also I think I've made the hand sewn, and all for sale for a very, very actually low price, because they are just kind of my babies which I make for fun. You can find them. You can find them also at this web shop link, which is given in the description.
Okay.
Yep, these tiny babies.
Your tiny babies are super cute babies.
This is my way to relax, actually. These ones are really, I wouldn't say I make them quickly, but when I make them, I just relax.
Okay. So, yeah, you should change the camera again, I think.
I'm searching. Yes. Oh, okay. I think I found. Yes.
Okay.
Hi.
Maria, thank you so much. I want to thank you especially because this is your first time live streaming face to face, and I really appreciate that you did it with me and my channel. You are such a nice person, so adorable, and such a good teammate. And thank you, honey. You are amazing.
Thank you, Nuneka, for giving me courage. Maybe I will show my face more often now.
I just pushed you a little bit. So guys, also you can find Maria on Instagram under the name magicatticmaria. And also if you put Maria Lillepruun, you will find her because, yeah, it's easy. And please visit that store and grab some amazing notebooks.
Yes, I just wanted to mention that actually the books are really not that expensive. Everybody can afford them. I think the most expensive book I have is about 50 euros. This is this Gypsy notebook, my favorite, and others are actually cheaper, so everybody can afford them. And I will gladly ship them very fast whenever you'd like to purchase. And of course, you can pay by bank transfer or PayPal is always acceptable.
Okay, fantastic. Está diciendo que son realmente asequibles las libretas, se puede pagar por PayPal y enseguida las envía. Entonces, espero que os hayan gustado y que compréis alguna para estas Navidades. Thank you so much, Maria, for joining me.
Thank you. Thank you. I will stay with you till the end. It's so interesting.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. I'm very sure that you found some amazing artists today that you didn't know they are doing things that you can buy.
Yeah, and I love it because as I already knew, for example, about Belinda, somehow I knew that she exists. I don't know how, it just came across. I also knew about Karen and everyone that I usually hang out, but your circle of friends is so extended, and those, because I was in and out for all the shows, so I saw so many cool stuff.
Yeah.
And everything is just like, wow, I would never see that if I would not come today and just join the chat.
I'm happy I did, because I'm always very curious and I'm always wanting to help people. I really think if we don't do it, if we don't help each other, who is going to do it? Nobody.
Yeah, I think that we should show everyone that we don't have to eat each other alive. We can just cooperate, and it doesn't hurt any of us. Your shine will not dull mine. We can both shine together. We don't have to fight about the hello.
We are the living proof that works, because I know many crafters say that, but don't practice. They just
practice
to show off and to pretend they are cool and nice. But we are the living proof that, oh my gosh.
I was using them yesterday. I love them.
So that's what I want you to buy for Christmas. Crafty stuff. Only that. And if your sister, your brother, your husband, your whatever is going to give you something for Christmas, tell them you want craft stuff.
Yeah, or handmade stuff. Oh my God, I forgot her name. I just followed her on YouTube. The girl who was showing those amazing albums and notebooks.
Maria.
Oh my God. Yeah, Maria, exactly. As the person who don't do things like that, when I see her artwork, I'm just like, mind blown. It was amazing. So, think about this year Christmas as the opportunity to support fellow crafters. If you always wanted to have something handmade by someone, that's a good opportunity to buy it this year.
Exactly.